Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about numbers up to hundred thousands. In this lesson, you will be able to identify the place and value of numbers up to hundred thousands. At the same time, you will know and understand that a number can be expressed in different ways. Are you ready? Look at this number. The number in the box is a four-digit number. Its digits are 2, 3, 4, and 8. Each of the digits has its own place and value. The value of a digit depends on the position or place it occupies in a number. The value of each digit of a number is based on its place. The digits in the number 2, 3, 4, 8 are represented using blocks placed under their corresponding places, such as ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. The table shows that these blocks under the thousand place has 2,000 blocks. Under the hundreds place, it has 300 blocks. Under the tens place, there are 40 blocks. And under the ones place, it has 8 blocks. Let us use the place value chart to write the number 2, 3, 4, 8. Let's start from right to left to easily identify the place of each digit. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. In the number 2, 3, 4, 8, digit 8 is in the ones place, digit 4 is in the tens place, digit 3 is in the hundreds place, and the digit 2 is in the thousands place. The position of each digit in the place value chart is used to get its value. In the number 2, 3, 4, 8, the value of the digit 8 is 8. The value of the digit 4 or 4 tenths is 40. The value of the digit 3 or 300s is 300. The value of the digit 2 or 2000s is 2000. The number 2348 reads as 2,348. Let's have another example. Let's identify the place and value of each digit 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 8. So we already have the place value chart with the place of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s, since this is a 6-digit number. Let's begin with the digit 8. Okay, the digit 8 is in the ones place. Digit 3 is tens place. Digit 2 is hundreds place. Digit 7 is in the thousands place. Digit 5 is in the 10,000s place. And the digit 4 is in the 100,000s place. So let's have the value of each digit. The value of 400,000 is 400,000. The value of the digit 5 or 5/10,000 is 50,000. The value of 7 or 7,000 is 7,000. The value of the digit 2 or 200s is 200. The value of the digit 3 or 3/10 is 30. And the value of digit 8 or 8 ones is 8. So the number 457,238 is reached as 457,238. The places of a 6-digit number from right to left are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. For example, for the digits 457,238, 8 is ones, 3 is tens, 2 is hundreds, 7 is thousands, 5 is 10,000s, and 4 is 100,000. So it's 457,238. Let's practice. In the following examples, determine the place and the value of the underlined digits. These are the numbers. So let's identify the place and its value. For the first number, 487,259, the underlying digit is 5. The place is tens, and its value is 50. For the second number, 398,986, the underlying digit is 8. The place is thousands, and its value is 8,000. Third number, 178,235. The underlying digit is 7. The place is 10,000s. The value is 70,000. For the fourth number, 124,590. The underlying digit is 1. Its place is 100,000s, and the value is 100,000. And for the last number, 275,405. The underlying digit is 4. The place is hundreds, and its value is 400. A number can be expressed in different ways, such as standard form, expanded form, and word form. Let's draw a table. Label the first column with standard form. Example of digits in standard form is 295,180 or 295,180. The expanded form of this number is 200,000 plus 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 80. To write numbers in expanded form, break down the number as a sum of the values of the digits. The value of digit 0 may be omitted. And for the last way is the word form. If we will write this number in form or word form, it will be 295,180. As I've said earlier, to write numbers in expanded form, break down the number as a sum of the values of the digits. The value of digit 0 may be omitted. Examples: 375,245. Its expanded form is 3. It's in the hundred thousands place. So it's 300,000 plus 7 in 10,000s place, 70,000 plus 5 in thousands place, 5,000 plus 2 in hundred place, 200 plus 4 in tens place, 40 plus 5 in ones place, 5. Another one, 14,405. Its expanded form is 10,000 because 1 is in the 10,000s place plus 4 in thousands place, 4,000 plus 4 in 100 place, 400 plus, so we're going to omit the value of digit 0. So let's now proceed to 5 in ones place, so 5. Last one, 973,856. The expanded form is 900,000 plus 70,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 6. Write the place and the value of the underlined digit in the box. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 798,098. The place of the underlined digit 9 is 10,000. Its value is 90,000. Number 2, 907,568. The underlined digit is 6. The place is tens. The value is 60. Number 3, 235,789. The underlying digit is 2. The place is 100,000 and its value is 200,000. Number 4, 156,605. The underlying digit is 6. The place is thousands. Its value is 6,000. And for the last number, 765,246. The underlying digit is 7. The place is 100,000 and its value is 700,000. Write the number based on the given digits and their corresponding places. For example, the given 9,000, 2 ones, 3 hundreds, 5 tens. And the answer here is 9,352. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. 8 thousands, 5 ones, 2 hundreds, 7 tens, 4 10,000s, 8 100,000s. The correct answer is 848,275. 5 ones, 3 hundreds, 9 tens, 7 thousands, 400 thousands, 8 10,000s. The answer is 487,395. Nine thousands, 300,000s, 7 10,000s, 3 ones, 2 hundreds, 5 tens. The correct answer is 379,253. Nine 10,000s, 1 ones, 3 thousands, 800,000s, 400s, 4/10. And the answer is 893,441. Seven hundred thousands, 400s, 2 10,000s, 2 1s, 5,000s, 3 10s. And the answer is 725,432. Write the numbers in expanded form. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 876,234. The answer is 800,000 plus 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. Number 2, 358,179. The answer is 300,000 plus 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 9. And number 3, 978,432. The answer is 900,000 plus 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Write the numbers in standard form. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. This is for numbers 1 to 4. And this is for numbers 5 to 8. Let's check your answers. Number 1, the answer is 435,432. Number 2, 827,555. Number 3, 288,961. Number 4, 943,723. And these are the answers for numbers 5 to 8. Number 5, 8,916. Number 6, 251,100. Number 7, 499,601. And number 8, 100,161. Write the numbers in word form. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Or numbers 1 to 3. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 745,897. Number 2, 358,179. And number 3, 234,567.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.